I still remember the way she smiled when she looked at me through that wedding veil with more love and adoration than I think I had ever known from a woman. We pledged our lives to one another that day, and we had no idea that only a few years later, that joy would fade into a cold, hopeless despair, and that our future would hang by a thread like a car teetering back and forth over a cliff. It felt like the ground was literally crumbling beneath our feet. And so it's hard to believe that today we are that crazy in love couple. You know, the kind that other couples pretend makes them want to gag while secretly they really just want what they have. We have true friendship, open and honest communication. We laugh every day. We are raising our 4 children together, and we meet whatever life throws at us together. And I could never have imagined that we'd be right here, right now, after everything that we've been through. Now, I know at this point, some are like, okay, what's the point of this? Are you trying to give me some kind of relationship advice or some new 5-step plan that's going to save my marriage or relationship? No. I'm here to tell you that there are no magic pills. There are no secret text messages that will instantly fix your relationship or save your marriage. I'm here to tell you what you probably already know, that the majority of relationship coaches and marriage gurus, they are all basically saying the same thing. And it's not working. If it were, 41% of all marriages would not end in divorce. If it were, 60% of all second marriages would not end in divorce. And if it were, divorce rates would not be double what they were in 1960. And the truth is, if it was working, you wouldn't still be here right now. I'm here to tell you that the secret to rescuing, restoring, and reviving your relationship and saving your marriage is surprisingly simple. And it's been there all along, hidden in the beginning, when you first fell in love. It's something we now call the Shimley effect. On the other side of this page, I'm going to tell you a story. It's a story of how I saved my own marriage from broken trust, bankruptcy, twice, never having sex, and even a baby with another woman, followed by a contentious and costly family court battle with a woman that was not even my wife. It's the story of how we kept our love alive, despite the stresses of chronic health and money problems, while raising 4 children on top of the same monotonous and daily routines and temptations and issues that will rip most couples apart, leaving nothing but broken promises, shattered dreams, and heavy legal bills. I'm going to tell you a story of how a stack of faded 71-year-old letters that I found by accident saved our marriage, and how it can do the same for you, even if you're the only one who's trying. Enter your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.